Have you ever asked yourself, with all the wonderful scents in the world, why does all laundry detergent smell like grandma's closet? Don't get me wrong, I love my grandma.
Hi, sweetie. I baked you some cookies.
But she can't be doing my laundry forever. Say hello to Mozi Wash. The best smelling laundry detergent ever made. Each of our scents is inspired by our favorite places. From the woody forests of the Sierra Mountains to the seashores of the California coast. From the living room, wrapped snug in a cashmere blanket, to the dewy center of a freshly cut melon. We chose the highest rated scents on the market to give you confidence throughout your day that you'll smell the way you want to smell. Amazing. Our inspired scent profiles and sustainable manufacturing make it the last detergent you'll ever buy. What would Grandma say?
Sweetie, I baked you.
Mozi Wash will make you feel and smell like you have your shit together. We started in 2019 with a desire to create a product that excites us to do our least favorite chore. Laundry. Let's be honest. Who likes doing laundry? Did I mention that Mozi Wash is sustainably manufactured in the United States, biodegradable, and toxin-free? You may be thinking, this all sounds great, but will it clean my clothes as well as other detergents? Did you know that the part of your brain in charge of smell is directly associated with the part of your brain in charge of memory and emotion? Leave a mark on the people you meet with Mozi Wash.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Matt, the founder of Mozi. It's been a crazy 2 years of trial and error in order to reach this point. Mozi now needs your help to reach the next step, large-scale production. Currently, we are creating our detergent in-house, which is not sustainable for the amount of growth we intend. Together with your help, we can guarantee high quality and consistent product that will completely change the laundry experience. We have a proven production partner here in California that's ready to produce Mozi on a large scale. We could not have done any of this without you guys. Thanks so much for your love, support, and feedback.